In this video, we're going to take a quick look at some EcoVessel products that are sure to fuel your stoke for your next adventure. Let's go. Now this summer season I'll be attending Outdoor Retailer down in Denver, and EcoVessel sent me these products to take a look at them before the show so that I could stop by the booth, ask any questions, and maybe potentially do a review down the road. So if that's something that you want to see happen, just comment down below and let me know that you'd like a full review on these things. So let's jump in and let's just take a quick look. EcoVessel is all about saving the environment by producing products that can be reusable. And that's pretty exciting. I can totally resonate with that. Now, let me set this one down for just a second because I want to show you this bottle. This is just like their current bottle called the Perk. And I've had this for about 3 years. I got it at a photography conference. And I love the mouth on this thing. It's just so easy to use and it's watertight. You know, I've never had any issues with leaks. So this is my go-to bottle when I'm traveling, when I'm out in the field, those kinds of things. You can put hot or cold kind of things in here. We're not here to talk about that one, but I just wanted to bring it up. This is the Boulder. This one's 24 ounces or 709 milliliters. So this stays hot for 14 hours and you can put things in here to stay cold for 72 hours. So this is triple wall insulation, which is pretty awesome. We'll go into that in a later review, hopefully. And let's just point out a couple other features that are kind of nice, right? You got the wide mouth with filter as well. Got something that kind of fell out of there. But in addition to the wide mouth, you've also got this smaller one too, with some silicone around there for comfort. That's kind of nice. The other thing I love about this bottle, just at first glance, is that it has this silicone sleeve on the bottom too. That's really nice. And I don't see why all bottle makers don't put these silicone sleeves on the bottom, because it's my biggest pet peeve. When you set it down on concrete, it creates some little bumps in it, and then over time they get kind of jiggy, right? And they're off balance and no longer completely flat. So I like that as at first glance. And let me go on to the next product. This is the EcoVessel 6-piece stainless steel mess kit or utensil kit. This thing's pretty nice. Just unzip this real quick and show you. So you've got all your utensils in there: fork, spoon, knife. You've even got a stainless steel set of chopsticks and a stainless steel straw with a cleaning tool in there as well. So pretty awesome. Can't wait to give these things a try and check them out. Again, if you'd like a full review on these products, please comment down below and let me know. If there's something else from EcoVessel too, let me know that as well. Maybe we can get a review going on those products as well. And I'll put some links down in the description below where you can check these out online. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you joining me today. See you later.